Alright, today is still the 2nd of June, Friday. My ramps came in, I said that on the last video. Here's the angle. She's pretty steep, but my truck is real tall. And these ramps are 750 pounds capacity per ramp. And of course you take a strap and secure them to the truck. I'd use those chain extenders I got for my safety chains, so they don't come flying out from underneath you when you're loading something up. This is not for an ATV or a motorcycle. This is for my tiller and my chipper. The chipper is a two-person job to get it up there. The tiller can power itself up. Also added some 250 pound capacity D-ring tie downs on the toolbox up there. I put a backing plate on the inside of the toolbox so it just don't rip out. On the sides here I put 4 more. This is just to keep stuff from shifting. It's not to support any kind of weight. It's just to keep stuff from shifting left or right when I'm going down the road. And like I said, this was a real expensive day. Truck was due for the major service cycle, and I needed new shocks. Built Mine, I think, is what the shocks are supposed to be, the best of the shocks, heavy duty. Both differentials, full synthetic, gear oil in those, plus the friction modifier. Transmission and filter was Mopar on both. The transfer case, Mopar on it. Engine oil and filter, both fuel filters. Grease the chassis, there's only a couple grease points. Of course, the air filter, not sure if I said both fuel filters. Very expensive. Parts was almost $2,000. Labor was $1,100. $3,100 with tax. But as little as I drive, it's 65,000 miles, but it was 6 years. So this will be good for another 6 years, what little bit I drive this thing. Very expensive. I use an independent shop. I don't go to the dealer. If I go into the dealer, it would have been $4,500 minimum, and 2 or 3 weeks. Is what it is. This is a 6.7 Cummins high output. It's a heavy spec 1 ton. It's got the complete tow package and camper suspension package. It means it has airbags too. This is a tradesman series, so it's vinyl seat, vinyl floor mats, no wood grain anything, none of that horse shit. Does not have an integrated GPS. I have my own. It's got Bluetooth with that satellite radio, whatever that is. Hard to ever listen to radio anyway. This truck now is approaching $90,000 for 2023, if you can find one. It's a true crew cab with an 8-foot bed. And it's a heavy spec truck. It'll pull over 30,000 pound trailer. I want to say it's 34,000 pound. I pulled over 30 hauling my dozer on one of my heavy haul trailers, and it does just fine. You don't know the trailer's back there. Engine's not struggling at all. You can go as fast as you want. If you don't take it out of overdrive, it'll put itself into overdrive. So I lock out the overdrive and tow in tow mode when I'm pulling that heavy. Don't do it often, but every now and again you have to. So yeah, $3,100 plus for maintenance cycle sounds like a lot, but they did a lot. My shocks were completely worn out. I was bouncing all over the road. They're going to walk up just one ramp. I'm going to break my neck, but you kind of get the idea. Fairly steep, but I can work with it. So, a lot of maintenance done today. About all for this one. Thank you.